What injuries may not be covered by workers' compensation? In general, cuts, scrapes, small wounds, or even a single headache are insufficient to be covered by workers' compensation. If you are injured at work and the content of a first aid kit completely remedies your injury, the injury is usually not severe enough to warrant a workers' compensation claim. If, on the other hand, you are exposed to a chemical that causes routine headaches, this is an occupational disease that amounts to a workers' compensation claim. Injuries suffered while commuting, with rare exception, do not give rise to a workers' compensation claim. Do you need to file a workers' compensation claim in South Carolina? Attorney Michael Sahn and the legal team at Sahn Law Firm provides clients with aggressive and skilled representation in some of the most difficult legal situations. Request a consultation by visiting our website at www.sahnlaw.com.